This one's pretty lightweight. It's called the Maxace Judge 3 Aluminum Black. Okay, that explains why it is so lightweight. And no, we're not getting in here, Miguel, unless we make an incision here. There we go. Let's see here, we got paperwork, we have wiping cloth, we have silica gel, and whoa, what in the world is this? Is it a knife? Is it not a knife? The answer is, drum roll please, it is a pen. Right? I was not expecting that. I didn't even know Maxace was into making pens, so I'm pleasantly surprised here. And again, this one is black aluminum here with the red going on the inside. Let's take a closer look. Definitely got some beautiful milling going on all throughout it here. Again, no pull, except the pocket clip. So no pull on the aluminum body here, right? Not even the red inside, which is pretty cool. Somehow the pocket clip is steel. Right? They could have made that maybe titanium or something, right? Just to kind of keep with the theme, if anything. But yeah, still a pretty lightweight pen through and through. It looks like it's going to be a bolt action design. Oh yeah, the spring on that is, oof, absolutely very well tuned. Got the Maxace logo here in the back, and got some finer milling here, almost flashlight style, right, towards the kind of grip area where you would, you know, obviously grip the pen to write with. Kind of check out the action here, right, so you guys can see it. Check out the spring tension. And let's go ahead and see if we can get in here, kind of check out the inner guts. Okay, so it looks like we have an O-ring for that seal, even though it's kind of open here with all these pill-shaped speed holes, if you would, for extra horsepower. And then as far as what cartridge are we working with, it's got the classic coil spring. And then we have the, let's zoom in just a tad bit, Schneider's Gillian 0.5 millimeter. All right, that is what you want to go for. Black gel ink with bowl refill. It is made in Germany. I believe that is a part number on there as well. All right, so there you go. Let's go ahead and see what this thing can actually write like. So assembling it back in place should be a very straightforward process here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, that is a tight fit there. And oh yeah, we're back in action, baby. Let's go. All right. So let's go ahead and put it to good use here. All right, let's see. All right, so there's no autocorrect right there. Hopefully, hopefully I'm spelling everything right. No typos. I want to say I do like the gel ink a lot more than regular ink. I want to say my go-to so far over the last maybe month or two has been the Kansept EDC Scavenger. This one is full titanium build, right? Also a bolt action pen, but this is more of the regular ink that you have on pens. There's a little bit of a difference. If I had to choose between the two, obviously the gel kind is more my jam. I mean, the truth is they both feel pretty good. This one is a little bit thicker. If you prefer a little bit of a thicker pen grip, you absolutely got that. Those little ridges, right, milling in that grip section, right? You are tactically going to be able to write your field notes, and that pen is not going to go anywhere, and it feels pretty lightweight. Compare here to the titanium, right? It is maybe just a hair lighter than the titanium Scavenger. Let's do a little side by side here so you can check out the thickness, one versus the other. I mean, it's definitely a little bit on the thicker side. Still pretty carryable if you carry a pen for your everyday gear or what have you. I know I personally have been recently more and more getting into carrying a pen. It just comes very, very handy when you need one. Best to have one and not need it than need it and not have it. So, right, just some final calligraphy here. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Yeah, very scientific writing test, if I say so myself. This one writes pretty good. I want to say it does feel like a finer point than this one. I don't have a microscope, but we'll try to go as zoomed in as we can. Right, check that out. Even though this one is a 0.5, I want to say maybe this one is a 0.7, but definitely a finer point by comparison. I just wanted to have at least something to compare it to.